Hi friends, I'm Gayatri. Welcome back to my channel Chef in Training. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make Szechuan sauce at home using very few ingredients, and it will be tasting as good as the store-bought one. Do follow the recipe and try it out. For this recipe, I have taken three types of chilies. The normal long one, which is not that much spice, so I'm taking around 20. The round one, which actually gives the spice to it, around 25, and few Kashmiri chili for the color. I'm transferring everything into a bowl. So we are going to soak these chilies until they are softened. You can do it in two ways. Either you can boil the chilies or you can soak it in boiling water. Today I'm going to soak the chilies in boiling water. I have boiled a cup of water and I'm adding it to the chilies until they are completely drowned. So I'm going to place a lid and cover it and rest it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the chilies are completely soaked and they have softened. I'm transferring them into a mixie jar and I'm going to grind them to a fine paste. In case if you have a larger jar, please do add some water in order to make it to a fine paste. Meanwhile, I have heated up a non-stick pan. I'm going to add quarter a cup of oil. Any neutral oil will be good, or you can use sesame oil. To this, I'm adding quarter a cup of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, saute these two into the oil for a couple of seconds. Do not overcook the ginger and garlic or do not undercook it. Keep the flame on low. It should be a light golden brown, not a dark one. Now I'm going to add the finely ground chili paste which we made earlier. I have added a little bit of water to it. So we have to cook until the oil completely separates from the mixture. After 15 minutes, the oil has started to separate. We need it in a more thicker consistency, so I'm cooking it more time. So the sauce has completely thickened. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of sugar, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup or tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar in order to preserve the content as well as to balance out the taste. So mix it well and keep it on low flame for a couple of minutes. Store it in an airtight container like a glass jar and it will be good for around 6 to 7 months. Do try out the recipe and let's share the feedback in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Kindly do subscribe to my channel in order to get more updates on the videos. Thank you.